Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. In today's exciting sprouting video, I'm showing you guys how to build a flower bed one-on-one. So let's jump right into this video. So at our house, at the side of the house where we would park our car, there was this little narrow garden where we had two tropical hibiscus and about 4 umbrella plants. Well, the hibiscus were cut back and it seems to be they were stunted and there's a disease in the roots and they were looking very ugly, so it was their time to go. And while the tropical hibiscus, it was their time to go, I decided to also remove the umbrella plant so we could start fresh from new. So the thing I did was extend it about an inch more forward. We cleaned up the sides a bit and we went ahead and removed all the rocks and such not that were there. And so a few things you need to learn when building a flower bed is, number one, you have to have structure. You have to have perennial plants that will go upwards, especially if it's towards a fence or it has a back to it. You want to have plants that will face grow tall, where it can have a tall structure sort of as a barrier. But if you have an open space flower bed, the structures would go in the middle. So it could be the centerpiece. Second, you want to have a few multiple colors there. You want to have all colors that come together so it'll be pleasing to the eye and your eye would not go everywhere and there would be no place to rest. So you want to have colors that will come together and combine to each other, and where your eye could visibly go there, you'll be like, wow, this is breathtaking. Another point is when you're building a flower bed, I would recommend adding texture, whether it be grasses or a ground cover. I added perennial red fountain grass, which is our texture in this raised bed, as well as this colorful fire torch or fire saver, something like that, coleus, where the leaf is structured and it has like highlights throughout the leaf. So that is texture added to your flower bed, so it gives it a more elevated visual look. Next thing that I would recommend for zones 8 and below is to add 4 seasons, which is spring, summer, fall, and winter. You want to add, for example, like springs, you would add spring flowering bulbs. For summer, you would add summer annuals. For fall, you would add like mums that add that fall color and pumpkins in. And for winter, you would have those evergreens that are these bluish color that would pop out during the winter. Well, here in Florida, I don't pay attention to that because we only have summer and fall as our seasons. So I really don't pay attention to that when it comes to my flower beds especially. I do recommend that every season you should go out there and check up on every plant you need to cut back or prune or check for diseases, because that's important when it comes to flower beds and sort of necessary. So that's gonna be it for this exciting sprouting video, you guys. Hopefully you guys found this video informative and educational, and hopefully you guys will be able to use these tips in your garden as well. So thank you all so much for watching this video. May God bless you and your family, and never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye guys.